Hello, Ed. All is going well, going very well actually, to a great degree. I've completed all the modules, and I'm also working on my signature program at this point. So that is good. I've learned so much, and so this has really been really good for me. And I'm enjoying every aspect of this program. It is right on point. I would think it's like the missing link for me. So getting leads, I have a great program from a coaching standpoint, but getting leads has always been an issue, and I think this is that missing piece. So yeah, I'm enjoying it a great deal. I don't have any constraints at the moment, other than my ad is been running for about 4 days now. I've only had one person to download my my high value gift, my HVG. So I have to probably do some dialing in on that, but it's a start, and this is how I learn. So this is great. So thank you, and I see you soon. Bye.